it's Key, Cam, and the family. I'm Cam. I was ready for you. I was ready. What's up? What was it?
I messed it up.
I don't know how to do a take two because we got to do it together. Together
Okay.
forever. Forever. Whenever. Something. Okay.
We'll be together, something.
Yeah. Just
Ole, ole, oh,
Okay.
sorry.
Hey, everybody. Welcome to Key, I'm Cam.
Hey, it's Key.
Hey, yo, welcome back, yo. We have another mukbang. Yo, guess what today is?
Nacho Wednesday.
Yeah, you supposed to be like, I was about to say Key was today. You supposed to.
I thought it did right.
No. Yo, Cam, what day is it? It's Nacho! Wait, what?
Oh.
Who we up, Key? Wednesday!
What is that?
Yo, it's
You
Nacho.
got cold?
It's
You
Nacho.
were shivering in the middle?
Yo, what's everyone is snoring? Yes, I'm cold. Alright, so yeah, let's pray and let's get into it. Guys, great. Thanks to who they brought to see you. Please let it be a natural for our bodies. In Jesus' name we pray, amen.
Amen.
So as you guys saw earlier, I actually was able to taste the nachos, and somebody just wanted to come in and steal my joy and come get some of this nacho as well. So
I wanted some nachos.
we made it into a video. Like, I mean, we could have just been cool with me just getting it, but no, somebody had to come and join in. So
No.
yeah.
Sharing is caring. Am I right?
All right.
Mama cinnamon rolls. This is good.
Here we go.
Thank you, Cameron, for sharing with me.
What about for?
Sorry, guys, today.
It was about the choice.
How y'all doing today? Fantastic, wonderful, exciting.
They doing fantabulous.
You guys going on a new adventure today?
Yeah, did you go clean out the closet?
You're gonna go to the mailbox and back home? What's happening today?
Hey, that I ain't gonna lie. That's, yo, I went through traffic going to the mailbox today.
There was some shoes in the way.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna start vlogging again. It's gonna be from my bedroom to the kitchen, a refrigerator tour. I can't wait.
We're gonna do our own version of MTV Cribs. We've actually done that twice, I think.
Yeah, but now at home, guys, this is the studio.
Here go the studio.
Now here goes the fridge again, because I want another snack.
Yo, look at all the stuff look at all the stuff our fridge is full with, you know? You know how we have like mad.
And then it's like zoom in.
Mad Fiji water, mad Boss.
We'll have out a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, this is ranch instead of sour cream on these nachos. Innovative. It actually works. I'm surprised.
Mom, Daddy's calling.
Wow.
Was he blowing his nose?
I don't know
You're
what.
You know those videos where they just turn the volume up high? That sound like that. Y'all hear that crunch though?
Hello, my pookie love.
Do we do this during That's a Love thing?
I'm sorry, I'm gonna leave out. They record.
We don't do this during That's a Love thing, do we?
Yeah.
We were trying to walk through tiptoeing.
We tried to eat quietly actually.
Yo, do you know how hard it is to eat, like,
Shut up.
when you eat some chips? It's hard.
Yeah. This is good though.
But yo,
What?
during this quarantine, MTV has, they have its own YouTube channel, of course. And it was showing like the old clips of MTV Cribs. The stuff that we used to think was cool, that stuff is stupid now.
What? Give me an example.
Birdman had a jacuzzi in his living room.
Bro.
Yeah. And it's like, yo, like what the heck? They're like the stretched out limos. They actually had those. But you know the saddest thing though, I ain't gonna lie, the worst thing is when you found out like some of that stuff was fake or rented.
Yeah, yeah. That's a little disappointing. Or like what was that show? Pimp My Ride.
Yeah.
They would like really have the hard time like taking care of the cars.
Yeah.
Somebody, honestly, I think they got killed over that car.
Yeah, unfortunately.
That was
it was like, yeah, that was years ago. But I remember one dude say he went up in my ride.
The driver didn't work.
He said, yo, he went up in my ride, and the stuff that they added to it, like the motor wasn't, the engine wasn't good enough for it.
It wasn't even working.
So what happened was the engine was like, I think it was overpowering the car or whatever. So that car just broke down to the point where,
wow.
Because they said like they would do no like under the hood labor.
Wow.
Or under the car, they just fix like that, you know.
Spray paint the old car.
Yo, then they used to say, they said like they'd get the person, like if it was a fat person, like they'll give them like mad snacks or whatever.
Yeah, just put empty wrappers in there, all for a storyline. That's messed up.
When I found out I was like, what? Because that was used to be my favorite show. Literally, like, Two Life is Zack and Cody, Pimp My Ride, Parental Control.
Oh yeah.
I used to love Parental Control. That's when like the parents had to pick out their date, the daughter son date.
Yeah.
And they had to watch. It was fun.
I always thought that show was fake though.
Honestly, you know what? When I'm watching that, I could think a lot of that stuff is definitely fake. Like, and I think that's the terrible thing about reality TV. It's like you think it's real.
If you listen, it sounds like they have lines in those people. They suck at reading them. I don't think you should go on a date with him. But Mom, I want to go on a date with him. I don't know why my parents are tripping. Like, they sound so robotic.
I don't like that, yo. Like,
you know what? I'm sorry.
What? What was that?
You know what show I do miss?
What?
Eliminate.
Eliminate? What was that?
Remember, they had to go on a date with 3 dudes, and they're like, they'll go on, there'll be 3 guys, they'll go to 3 different places, and after each date, they'll eliminate their least favorite person. You remember? That was a good show. I want some with cheese. Okay.
Now, I don't remember that, but there's a lot of shows that go off that concept now. Like, remember everybody had a reality show for love?
Yeah.
You had New York
Flavor
Fine
Love.
Love, Ray J, Me Love, something like that. Real Chance of Love. I remember that because I actually liked that one. Brett Michaels had, man, every time Brett Michaels show would come on, I knew it was time to turn. I knew it because it was so boring. Jersey Shore was mad boring.
Yeah, I didn't like Jersey Shore. Sorry.
Yeah,
don't cry in the comment section. Jersey Shore was the best.
Jersey Shore was the
couldn't
reason I
get
made it
into
through
it.
when I was 10. Like,
That girl yelling, Ronnie, with her makeup running, it wasn't entertaining.
Yo, I like that. The only thing I like about Jersey Shore is fist pump, and then, you know, all that, but. And then, you know, they're from Jersey. You know, I actually like that other accents, but.
I couldn't get into the show. It was stupid to me.
And
They were cute, they were beautiful young people, but the show to me was stupid.
And also, what show was that? Wild 'N Out. When Wild 'N Out first started, when the jokes was actually like.
Real? No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Yo, I mean, I don't know.
It seemed like they practiced everything.
Yeah, because it's like, how do they know? Like, yo, I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna shoot you with your kids, and then, yo, high five, yo, you like, you
Is
see
it
that like.
weird that they just make way more mistakes back in the day
Yeah.
versus now? It just seems scripted, like.
Yeah. Like, I remember it was one commercial, one episode. I forgot who it was. I don't know why I think it's Rob Dyrdek, but I forgot who it was, the guy. But he was like, no, I don't want to go against him. He said he did not want to do the Wild style. He was actually scared, you know? But it was like Wild 'N Out used to be really, really good back in the day. I mean, it's good now, but it's not like.
It don't have the same feel.
Nah, you know what I'm saying? It's too like it's something about it. Yeah, it's too updated. You dropping meat on me?
Sorry.
No.
Don't have food on my face. Okay.
You go. But it's good. What else was like?
So if y'all don't have ranch, just drizzle a little.
You don't have
sour cream. Drizzle a little ranch on
yeah,
it.
don't go deep with the ranch, alright?
Yeah.
Because I thought it was gonna overpower. I thought it was gonna,
Compliment it.
But no cap. VH1 and MTV2 used to be a place to be. Like MTV still got some good haters because one of my favorite shows to watch is The Challenge. And that show was so good though. If you've never seen The Challenge, go watch The Challenge. It's really, really good. It's like, and I think if they said that was scripted, I would really be upset. But sometimes I'll be sitting there like when they do like the intense cuts, and they be like, you gotta pick somebody to go home. And then the person doing it, they're like, then it's like, next time on The Challenge, you like.
Yeah, they get on my nerves.
I just like that with a passion, so that's why I like let the shows build up.
I pay attention to editing though now.
Yeah, because like
60 Days In, it was a part, and she was crying, but they kept going back and forth in the conversation. But there'll be parts where her face was dry, and then there was parts where her face, she was like literally like still had tears trying to wipe it away. I'm like, why did they put this conversation out of order like this? I don't like that.
No. I really found out that 6 Days In was scripted. That they not real inmates. They really went to Juilliard's.
Man.
They really went to Juilliard's and they went to one of the best.
I think it is real. But I think what they do is they like focus on something to like make the show just more entertaining. Cause I'm still mad. Y'all think I didn't notice what I did.
Well,
So you remember last week or the week before when they were like, Tony had got into it with the guard and they left that cliffhanger? They still left the cliffhanger this week, I noticed. So now we gotta wait till this week to see what really happened with Tony. Y'all think I didn't peek, but I did, okay? Y'all remember? He got into it with the guard last week. Now they showed the argument, but they had already showed him getting into an argument.
oh, him getting handcuffed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, don't do me like that. I pay attention. I don't like that.
Me neither. I don't like when they like with the cliffhangers. I don't like that at all.
Yeah, that's why I usually wait till shows pile up a bit. Cause I get on my nerves. And then I lose interest.
Oh, another one was Real World was so good. Real World?
I never watched it.
It's kind of like another version of
Probably Jersey Shore.
yeah, but it was, I don't know how to explain it. Cause I only watched like 2 seasons of it. Like I said,
That's a lot.
Yeah, that's true. I used to do that every episode, no cap. Like, then I like X on the Beach. That's a good show, but I don't know. Like, reality TV is not as fun as it used to be back when we were kids. No. Like cause I ain't gonna lie. This how I knew what time it was for me, right? So you had for some reason what was the show was that? I used to watch a lot of Cartoon Network, so I knew when Ben 10 was about to come on. Then new episode of Wild 'N Out was gonna come on, so I'd switch over to Wild 'N Out. But Jersey Shore started to come on. When Jersey Shore would come on, Pimp My Ride would be on. You go to Pimp My Ride. Once Pimp My Ride went off, it'd be like on some George Lopez. Well, was it George Lopez? It was some like terrible show.
Frasier.
Nah.
I kind of like Frasier.
Frasier's not good at all. Yeah, that's when I go over to Sweet Life on Deck or Sweet Life with Zack and Cody, because they had like the 3 episodes that like Hannah Montana go on. It was like Hannah Montana, like Phil in the Future, unfortunately, will come on after all of that. I hate that.
I used to like it because Phil was cute.
It was like Phil in the Future, even Stevens. Or if I was to like watch Nickelodeon, I knew when Boy Meets World came on, that was that me to turn.
I couldn't do it.
Yeah, I knew all the Girl Meets World. That show was trash.
It's just as bad.
It's like
I get it, the fact that they made the show over.
I respect that.
I can't get into it.
Nah, it was like it's too much of a love story. You need some like.
It's too sensitive. Like I
know,
just want to laugh. They all.
Topanga's gonna move to Seattle.
My friend's addicted to drugs and she's in the 3rd grade. Why does she have drugs?
Look, they have some instrumental.
And then a commercial come on. I'm like, I'm not about to sit here and watch the commercials for this. So I remember one time Cameron is so bogus. He hit my remote notes.
Yeah.
And was using an app, a tablet or a phone.
Yeah.
And he made me watch Disney Channel. Y'all, I was so miserable. I was just like, Cameron, please. I'll buy you some snacks. I don't know, I'll do your chores. Please turn my TV back.
Yeah.
Because I tried to go in the front, he'll control the TV in the front. Like, whatever the app is, you can control every TV in the house.
It's the Xfinity TV app.
And I didn't know what it was at the time. So I was
Yep.
like, Cameron, please. These shows have gotten corny over the years.
Look,
Then there was one.
What's
I
wrong?
actually started liking it a little bit. I can't think of the name of it. I was like, oh, you know, this is kind of funny. I don't mind sitting through the commercials. And he turned the TV away from it, and I never knew what the name of it was. So, well, I forgot what you turned it to, but it was just...
Oh, I used to turn her stuff to other language and stuff. It'd be like news in Japanese, like, you know, it'd be crazy.
Now, one thing I did get into was
What?
those Korean soap operas.
Yeah.
They had the subtitles in the bottom. I was really into those. And
Yeah.
there's still some on YouTube.
I ain't gonna lie though. I think with me, the show, like I have a lot of friends that's from Africa or whatever, right? So I remember one day, I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what the person was saying, but I got engaged with the show because it was just like, he was like, you know, he's saying whatever he was saying in French or whatever. And they sitting there laughing and stuff, and I'm like, yo. So then they put the English subtitles at the bottom, but he'll be talking so fast that, you know, you gotta really skim read it.
Yeah.
So he'd be like, then he's like, the cat went up the hill and then the cat died or something like that. So you got really, really fast. And then it came to a part at the end of the show where it was like, who ended up killing the guy, something like that. And it was like one of those ones that made me think of that. And I'm sitting there like, yo, like it was really, really good. It was really good. Like
I know the one
Africans got some good shows.
Now one of the shows that I had started to like, it was weird because I didn't know how it started, but they were like they did not have a home, and it was a mother, a daughter, and some man. It wasn't like a relative. It was, I guess, a friend. And the daughter and the mom, they didn't get along, and like the whole time, like she was like, you know, snapping in the, you know, in Korean and everything, and so it was like I think the mom had been away. And the man was like helping watching the daughter, and so there was like a problem between them two. And then like the mom had looked through the little girl's bag and discovered that while she was away, the little girl had became a woman, and she was all emotional, like, oh, like she had missed that part of her daughter's life. And I was just like, oh my gosh, this is so deep.
Wow.
And nobody died, because like Lifetime movies, it's somebody that's gonna die in that movie. Like
it's like the better the person becomes the creep. And you like,
yeah.
Lifetime's terrible. I mean, Lifetime is good, bad.
But it's like, why can't this movie just be interesting without somebody being crazy and somebody
They have
killing somebody?
See, I love movies that have like a crazy plot to it, like also.
I have you thinking.
Yeah.
I like those. Mystery.
Like the Old Boy. That's a really Old Boy.
But everybody died. And it was gruesome.
Yeah, but if you guys are a big fan of Spike Lee put this movie out like about almost 10 years ago, if I'm not mistaken.
Hey, it's been that long.
It's been that long.
Dang.
Because you gotta think, what's name gave us the DVDs? So both of them, 13 cents, 13, yeah.
Oh yeah, 13 cents was good.
Yeah, what's name gave us the DVDs for that? It was so good, yo. It was.
Oh yeah.
So go watch Old Boy. It's by Spike Lee.
I know Pop's gonna say, he's still eating.
Yeah.
I sure am. That's good.
Well, if that's Pops. And you're like, what the heck? Yeah, yo. I mean, it's still a lot. I ain't gonna lie, that was good. But yo, go watch Old Boy. It's by.
Oh, bunch over there.
Oh, word?
Yes.
Oh, well, okay.
Yeah.
Go watch Old Boy by Spike Lee, yo. You will really enjoy it. It's a really, really good movie. Really, it's like one of those movies like you'll think you know what's gonna happen. Then out of nowhere, just a random twist happens. It's really, same thing with, was it 13 Confessions or 13 Cents?
13 cents.
13 Cents.
That movie, that was good. Now, Old Boy, it was just, I liked the mystery, but it was just more disturbing to me.
Yeah.
Whereas the 13 Cents was like disturbing, but it was like, at least this was interesting.
Oh, you gotta think one thing though.
I couldn't sleep really.
Yeah, Old Boy.
Was disturbing.
Yeah, it's not a scary movie. Well,
it's not scary.
It's
just,
I don't know how to explain it though. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really good. You guys go check that out.
Yeah.
But we're gonna get up out of here. You know what I mean?
We started talking. Y'all know we just we talk too much.
Okay, I mean, we keep the family. They can come closer and closer.
Yeah.
Yes. Us, they never be. Us. Yo, you know Us came out a year ago?
Man, I still haven't seen it, but I know what the movie's about.
It's on demand.
Man, speaking of on demand.
Oh God.
Okay, fine. But no, I had thought about on demand, like how you was talking about how you would watch this and then you knew this was coming on next and you would watch those 3 episodes and you knew this was coming on. Like once on demand came, that went out the door.
Yo, dude, okay.
I was like, I'm about to watch everything, and then I got too overwhelmed and didn't watch any of it.
Yeah.
It's too much.
This is my last thing. Do you miss the old Comcast on demand? The old Comcast on demand. I used to hate it.
I liked it if it was something like I discovered K-pop through that.
Yeah, because it'd be like, so if you guys don't know what Comcast is Xfinity. And Xfinity is Comcast.
I like
That's the best way I can explain it. It's a cable service that it's really expensive with sometimes good quality, sometimes bad quality. Very expensive.
Sometimes the internet messing up.
Sometimes 10 times out of 10 the internet.
Video.
Yeah. But yo, we throwing shade at Comcast. If they trying to sponsor
us together.
And we have the highest thing that you can get too. So Comcast used to have this menu, like you'll go to on demand, it'll like you can never like say if you was watching a show, that show it'll like exit out that show and go to on demand, and it'd be like a big blue screen with a lady talking in the corner. And you get to go, it's like you can navigate through whatever show you want, like say if you want to go to like a premium channel, you go to premium and get the movies or the TV. Like, man.
Like, I don't mind it though, because there'll be some times where I just want to see what was on demand, and then you can't see what's happening on regular TV.
Yeah. So now, the only thing I don't like though, it was like, don't you like the songs just being ordered? And then it's not like all the way from like numbers down. And you trying to say trying to listen to some Young Jeezy or Young Josh. You gotta like literally scroll all the way down. And it's like the page down will go all the way like it was tricky. But
yeah, I don't like that.
I miss that one, man. But yo,
I don't.
Let's exit this out. We love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. Yo, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
Yes, please like the video. If you like this content, leave us a
yeah, man. You know, look at us. We 2 siblings having fun. Other siblings probably about to fight each other right now. Look at us. We having fun. We eating together. Yo, we different than everything, dude. But
we different.
We different than everything. Yeah.
What's the rest of it?
I said what?
Pull up to the scene with my celebrity. Pull up to the scene with my celebrity. Okay, sorry.
Wait, middle finger up to my common digit, something like that. But yeah, you guys like, share, and subscribe. This is how force I probably saying that.
Yeah, we've been doing that a lot lately.
What else do we say? Don't forget to check out the Epic Empire. The link will be in the description box below. Don't forget to check out It's Love Thing. The link will be in the description box below. Please don't forget to check out the greatest gaming channel ever. The latest some of the folks want to be on when I smile make the world go around. Kaminator Gamez. My link will be in the description box below. And
KEE'S way.
The link will be in the description box below. And if you, as you guys know, we are part of the Epic Empire, like we just said. The Epic Empire is having their meet and greet July 18th in Decatur, Georgia. Wait, Lloyd said something that's really speaks to this moment right now.
What are you saying?
We're pouring live from Atlanta. We're pouring live from Atlanta, Georgia. And he said Decatur where it's greatest. Decatur's where it's greatest.
Oh yes. Yeah.
I had to be like, yo, I remember that.
Stop. Wait a minute.
Yo, we tired. But yeah, we love you guys. Have a great one. Yo, get 6 to the Epic Empire meet and greet. Have a great one. And adios, amigos. Oh.
I'm gonna eat some more when this camera is going off.
Yeah, look at you. Oh. Wait, who ate the most? Me or you?
Oh, probably me.
Because I had like a whole bunch on this side.